8 months, 4 days, and 2 hours, and I'm done. You know, they're not even gonna miss me around here. They don't even know my name, half these people. And you know, I have busted my back for 25 years to keep this place looking new. Nobody cares. Who is this employee? I call this employee Mr. or Mrs. Longevity, or maybe the clock watcher. How do you re-engage these folks as rock star leaders? One of the things that I like to do with them is I like to get them to share stories of their past, their successes, their failures, things they could have done differently. One of my favorite questions to ask Mr. Longevity is, what advice would you give me on the one thing that you could have done differently? Or what is one method you used that you weren't a big fan of that is better today? Get them talking about things. Make them know that they are a big part of your team until their very last day. If you got a couple new employees, you might ask them to mentor them. Share their stories with them and teach them how to avoid pitfalls. You know, the thing is you want to make sure they feel good about their legacy when they leave. And also let them know that it's real important that they help the next generation carry on those same great traits that they had. As rock star leaders, there's a lot of great value with Mr. Longevity. And sometimes you just have to pull it out of them a little bit. When you do that, it makes your team better today and for tomorrow.